Are you always on the go with no time to relax and take a bath? Me too. Don't worry, we have the perfect self-care solution for you. Shower steamers. Let me show you how they work. Nectar shower steamers come in these adorable heart-shaped waffles that are divided into 4 pieces so you can easily break them apart. You do not need to use more than one section, so you can get up to 4 showers out of one waffle. Set the waffle piece in your shower away from the drain so you don't lose it mid-shower. If you have a shelf that gets a little wet during the shower, you can place it there as well. We do want you to be careful not to place them in a spot where you could potentially slip on them. All that is left is for you to let the shower take over. As the shower spray and steamer break down in the steam, your favorite nectar flavor will release and take you to that place of relaxation, even if it's just for a few minutes out of your crazy busy day. As an added bonus, Nectar shower steamers include a touch of menthol that will help open your sinuses, making you ready to take on the day. Now, swing on over to nectarusa.com and grab your favorite flavor. They are available in our signature fruit smoothie, lavender blossom, ocean breeze, and my personal favorite, peach sangria. Elevate your daily on-the-go routine with a sophisticated spa-like experience.